Hello and welcome to GP Support North's information mini-series all about sales order entry, showcasing the functionality and special tips for this Dynamics GP feature. With that said, let's jump right into receiving a cash overview. Over to you, Brittany.
Receiving cash in. If you've ever received some money in and maybe you have a customer that maybe pays you from multiple accounts and you're not sure what account it comes from or where it goes to, in the later versions of GP, they actually created this field here that says locate by document number. So you can actually put in your document number and look up your cash receipts by that document number, and it will tell you which one it actually is, and you can select them, and it will automatically select your customer for you. So if they've told you what invoice you're paying, you can go back and forth and figure out which customer it is instead of, going to a smart list and looking up that document number and then going back and forth and finding it from there. So you can literally locate your customer in reverse by a document number right inside your cash receipt window. Okay, so it's a little handy of a trick if you're maybe not sure which customer it is, or maybe they go by multiple names or they have multiple branches. You can go and quickly find it by the document number that they're paying you. Okay, and then of course put in the rest of the information for the check itself, such as our amount and check number, so on and so on. Okay, so that's a little fun handy trick. It did come out in our later versions of GP, so take a peek to see if you have it. It's an oldie but a goodie trick to use your locate the customer by.
Well, thanks, Brittany. What a great overview on receiving cash. For more episodes on sales order entry or how GP Support North can keep you on a successful digital transformation while staying on Dynamics GP, visit gpsupportnorth.com. Well, we'll see you there.